How to add titles from a template in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and make sure you are on the edit page. This is where you will be working with your timeline and adding effects. Next, look at the top left section of your screen and click on the effects library. From there, expand the titles folder under the toolbox section. You'll see a list of different title templates like text, text plus, scroll, and more dynamic ones such as fade on, scroll, lower thirds, and more. Now, choose the title template you want to use. Click and drag it directly onto the timeline above your video clip where you want the title to appear. You can place it on a new track so it overlays the footage. Once the title is on the timeline, click on it to select it, then head over to the inspector on the top right. Here you can customize the text, change font, adjust size, add shadows, change position, and even animate the title using keyframes if needed. Finally, scrub through your timeline to preview the title and make sure it appears just the way you want it. You can adjust the duration by dragging the edges of the title clip. And that's it. Now you know how to add titles from template in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.